but you don't want to hug them either. So comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell, that bell, that bell. Why do we force children to hug people that they don't want to hug? Like, it doesn't make any sense to me. Like, it came to me one day because I usually get my nephews and niece, like, I'm not a parent, but I'm a very hands-on auntie. And a lot of the times I would take, like, my nephew or niece to, like, a sibling house, like, you know, their aunt or uncle. And then when they see them, I'm like, oh, give your aunt or uncle a hug. And, like, half of the times they don't want to, and I force it. And I think as adults, we have to stop because I have them hugging on aunties and uncles that I wouldn't even touch. Like, not like that, but like I am personally not a hugger. And I think it's okay that if children don't want to hug like family members or close family friends or just like whatever close friends, they shouldn't have to be forced to do so because we don't know if they are uncomfortable with that person. You know, I'm a firm believer in vibes and energy. So, you know, and children are really good with picking up on people's energy. So maybe somebody's energy is not serving them and they don't want to talk to them. They don't want to touch them. I mean, granted, I'm all about teaching children being respectful and having manners. But they don't have to hug someone. Yeah, they can give someone a high five, but I'm also here for like if children do not want to physically interact with someone, we should stop forcing them. They don't have to hug someone if they don't want to hug someone. They don't have to give someone a high five if they don't want to give them a high five because like I said once again, I'm not a hugger. I don't want to, I'm not like that, but I'm all like, hey, how are you? So why do we force that on children? They obviously have their boundaries. So why are we forcing them to have no boundaries when it comes to their personal space? It's not fair. You know, I feel as though a lot of the times that we don't respect children because they are children. But that's not fair to take away that of them not wanting to hug someone or touch someone. So long story short, I feel like I'm rambling, but what I'm trying to get at is we need to respect children when they do not want to hug someone. If they do not want a high five or fist bump, we have to respect that. As long as the child said hello and they had like manners, you know, and I get people may think, well, it's affection. Hey, you can show affection in other ways. Like, if you want to bond with the child, figure out what the child want to do. Like, do stuff that they like to do to bond and show affection. You don't necessarily have to hug to show affection. But guys, thank you so much for watching, and I am horrible because God knows this video was supposed to be out since Friday, and here I am posting it today. I promise I will get it together, guys, but thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until, you know what? Like, I just messed that all up, so forgive me. But anyway, guys, I'm terrible. But also, don't forget to hit that bell, that bell, that bell, that way. That bell, that bell, that bell, so you can get my notifications. As you can see, this is probably why I'm always like not on time in my videos because I'm not all the way there, but the message gets through and my videos come out. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time, and I'm hopefully on time.